Today we are going to start a new episode of our ClickFunnels sales funnel tutorial. Today we will show how to set video in a background. So let's get started. We have created a new funnel step and took an opt-in pre-made template here, and we are going to edit the page. And our editor is loaded so that we can see that it's a pre-made template with 1, 2 and 3 and 4 sections, so that we have this section has a background color, and this section has background image, this section has background color, and this section has background color. So, and we can see a background in our body. So this background body color is set from these settings and background, and we want to use a video in the background. So how we can do that? We have to go to the settings, and from the background we will set this background busy video from false to true. So we will able to paste the YouTube video URL here. We have to go to YouTube and we have to copy our video URL and paste it here. Remember that we can use only YouTube video here. We can't use any other video. So if you have the video in any other source, then download it and upload it to the YouTube. Then copy that URL and paste it here. So we are going to the YouTube and collect a free video for the background right now. So we have searched a background video and we collected a copyright free video for this tutorial purpose. We are copying this URL and pasting it in the YouTube URL here box. So after placing this URL, we can see that video thumbnail image is already loaded in our background. And remember that you can set the volume to the mute and fade volume in whatever you want. Then in the end action you will get a loop video, redirect URL, show pop-up, hide video. Whatever the action you want, you can select it from here. If you want this video automatically play automatically in the loop, then you can select this loop video. If you want to redirect to the any other URL, then you can select to the redirect to URL option. If you want to show the pop-up after playing the video, then select the show pop-up. That's it. So we are selecting this busy video to the true and placing the video URL here. Then we are setting the volume mute, and our ending option is loop video, so that this video will be automatically looping through the page as long as we are in the page. Now we will save the page and check the preview. Clicking on the preview button, our background video is playing automatically. This is the thing that we wanted to show in today's episode. So bye bye guys for today, and see you soon in the next episode.